One of the things that you can utilize inside of HitFilm is preset effects. So to access out preset effects, you need to go around under the effects tab right here. And if you were to scroll down right at the bottom, you can find presets right here. So if I were to go around and expand this preset out, then I can see that there are different folders right here. There's like 2D effect, 3D effect, and film looks. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, film looks right here, there's like basic one, black and white, and so forth. Let me just go around and bring in the black and white right here. And you can see that the preset effects come as a separate layer right here. And you can see that this is on top and is black and white, as you can see right here. If I were to click and drag out, you can see like it is like a filter. Whatever layer is beneath this particular preset becomes black and white, as you can see right here, just like this. So it's like a window which makes everything black and white, just like that. So that is what you have right here. So you can see that this is the effect, and you can go around and disable and enable out the effect as you like as well right here. So preset effects are a collection of multiple effects that are together, as you can see, just like this. So let's just go around onto effects right here. So this is black and white, as you can see right here, and there's black and white old stock as well, which has a different set of effect, as you can see right here. You can also go around and then add in, let's say, multiple effects at the same time as well. There's like burn stock right here, so you can go around and add this on top. And you can see that this is multiple effects that is added in on the top right here, just like this. So that is it. That is how you can go around and bring in effects as you like, as you can see right here. That is the preset effects. And these are the different film look effects right here. If I were to go around and minimize this and expand out the 3D effects, you can see that there's other effects like particle simulator as well that you can bring in, but you need to have the pro version for this, which has much more better effects that you can work with. There's gunfire effect and so forth that you can bring in as well over here in 3D effects that you can bring in. Again, you need to have the pro version of HitFilm for this as well. There's 2D effects as well that you can bring in, like let's say, for example, there's vignette effect right here, as you can see. So this is what you have, and then you can bring this in. So let's just go around over here, and then let's say, for example, bring in some effects right here. So there's some title safe action guide and so forth effects as well. So let me just go around and bring this in, and this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around under effects, and let's go around, bring in vignette effect as well. And you can see that there's this vignette effect over here, just like this. So these are preset effects, as you can see, and then you can go around and then go to effects right here, enable and disable the vignette. You can work around with the height, you can work around with the vertical stretch, you can work around with the curvature right here, as you can see, and work around with the strength and so forth right here. There's even colors that you can choose with right here. So depending on the effect that you have applied right here, you can see that you can go around and change around different effects for it. So that is how you can go around and quickly add in effects by using the preset effects option inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.